Say a few words to the camera. We gotta say a few words to you. You're a big celebrity.
Don't worry about it.
Come on. Let's hear about all the women you get on Devon Avenue.
Don't worry about it.
You're like a pimp on Devon.
No, you are.
Come on, tell us about all the
Get out
women.
of here, will you?
Tell us about all the women you got.
What are you worried about?
Marty's a pimp on Devon Avenue. You didn't know that, did you? Those baby blues, bedroom eyes. Get a close up of him blowing his nose, will you? Marty, say something.
He's wiping his lips.
No.
He just got through eating puss.
How you doing, Harry?
Say something, Marty. Marty.
You're a clock, Carlo.
Marty. 60 degrees out, Marty. So it's hot out there, huh?
42, 45 degrees outside.
Remember the magical cigar trick, Marty? You don't remember that one? Huh? Why not? Get my coffee on. Dave? How come? I asked all this weather. Kind of slow. Mark, stop. Just get. TV. Forrest, how you doing? Shaper, how many days have you sold ice cream? Turn this way. Shaper, turn this way.
Camera, to the camera.
Smile. Spit in the camera for a few minutes, will you?
Oh.
Huh? Get a close-up of those brown teeth.
No, it's not. It's not focused for that. There's Jonathan Squeers in Harlan.
Now got it.
Open the door to it.
Hello, John.
You're not going to get that much. The door's open. Why don't you just...
Here comes Momo. How about a beer? Hi, guy.